students, this is Gautam Adarsh. Let's see some other problems of NTSC 2020 stage 1 math question paper. Okay, 10th problem. In a row 25 trees are planted at equal distance from each other. The distance between first and 25th tree is 30 meters. What is the distance between third and 15th plants? Okay, let's see here. There are 25 trees. Okay, 25 trees are planted in a row. 25 trees are planted in a row. Okay, like this. Which between here the distance is equal in all cases. Okay, if like this are planted, then the distance between first and 25th tree is 30 meters. Between first and 25th tree there will be 24 gaps. Okay, 24 gaps are there between first and 25th tree. So 24 gaps will be there, and we should find here first equal distance. So 24 into equal distance. Let the equal distance be x is equals to 30 meters. X will be 30 meters by 24. Okay. Then what is the distance between third and 15th plant? See, between third and 15th plants there will be 12 gaps. So the distance between third and 15th plants will be 12 into x, that is 12 into 30 by 24. 12 ones are 12 twos are 2 ones are 2 15s are. So there will be 15 meters of gap between third and 15th plants. Next question, 11th question. If 80% of A is equals to 50% of B and B is equals to x percent of A, find the value of x. Okay, now given 80% of A is equals to 50% of B. Okay, 80% of A is equals to how much? 50% of B. We can write this as 80 by 100 into A is equals to 50 by 100 into B. Okay, 0 0 5 1 5 2 0 0 0 4 2 sorry 2 2 4 2 5 0. So 4 by 5 A is equals to B by 2. 4A by 5 is cross multiply 4A by 5 is equals to B by 2. Cross multiply 4A into 2 is equals to 5B. Okay. Now if when we write in this way, 4A by 2 is equals to 4A by 5 is equals to B by 2. Don't do this all. Now first find B by A. Okay, first find B by A. Now B by A will be equals to B by A. Okay, now B by A will be equals to 8 by 5. Okay, 8 by 5. Now given B is equals to x percent of A. Now B by A is equals to x by 100. Now B by A is equals to x by 100. B by A is nothing but 8 by 5. 8 by 5 is equals to x by 100. Cross multiply. Okay. 8 into 100 is equals to 5x. That is 8 into 100. 8 into 100 by 5 is equals to x. 5 ones are 5 20s are 20 into 8. Okay, 20 into 8 is 160 is equals to x. So therefore x is 160. Okay, x is 160. Now let's see 12th question. The mean of 5 consecutive numbers is 7. Which is the highest number? We should find the highest number. Let the given 5 consecutive numbers. Consecutive is nothing but 1 by 1 numbers. Let the middle number be n or any variable. Then after n we get n plus 1, n plus 2. Before n we get n minus 1, n minus 2. Given average or mean of these is 7. So n minus 2 plus n minus 1 plus n plus n plus 1 plus n plus 2 by 5. By 5 because there are 5 terms. Okay, is equals to 7. N. Okay, minus 2 plus 2 cancel, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 n's is equals to, send this by 5 into RHS, you will get 7 5s are 35. And n will be 35 by 5, that is 7. So middle value is n, that is 7. Then highest value is n plus 2. We are asked with highest number. So highest value is n plus 2, that is 7 plus 2 is equals to 9. Okay, is equals to 9. Now let's see 13th question. Find the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz if x plus y plus z is equals to 15, x square plus y square plus z square is equals to 51. Okay, we should find the value. Now first let's take x plus y plus z whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 of xy plus yz plus z. So okay, now x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, now given x plus y plus z whole square, that is here x plus y plus z is 15, that is 15 square is equals to, and so x square plus y square plus z square is equals to 51. Substitute that here, 51 plus 2 of xy plus yz plus zx. Okay, 15 square is 225. 225 minus 51. Okay, 225 minus 51 is 149. 225 minus 59 is 225 minus 51 is equals to 2 of xy plus yz plus zx. Okay, we get here 225 minus 51, 5 minus 1 4, 22 minus 5 is 70. 174 by 2. See, 2 into we got, take it to LHS, you get by 2 is equals to xy plus yz plus zx. 2 1 are 2 8 are 16, 1 will be remainder 14, that is 7. So which is equals to 87. xy plus yz plus zx is equals to 87. Then we have, let's take this one, x cube plus y cube plus z cube plus minus 3xyz is equals to x cube plus y cube plus z cube of, which is equals to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to x plus y plus z of x square plus y square plus z minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, x plus y plus z of x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, z square, which is equal to x plus y plus z is 15. 15 of x square plus y square plus z square is 51 minus, see here we got xy plus plus plus, but here there are minus, so keep minus first, and xy plus yz plus zx is 87. 15 of 51 minus 87, not 87 minus 51, it is 36 minus 36. 36 into 15, you should find 36 into 15. 540, that is 540 minus 540. So the answer will be minus 540 will be the answer. Okay, minus 540 will be the answer. In coming videos we will be learning some other problems. Thank you a lot.